Hello, welcome to the TV room. What I have here today is, yes, it's another 4040 disk drive. This is not part of the many that I was looking through before. It is indeed another one. Hang on, while I'm here, I think maybe those lights can move a bit. That's good. Okay, so here we have it. A 4040, the dual disk drive that was the workhorse of the Commodore world for a long time. This one, well, I don't really know the history of it. I'm hoping that it is happy. I'm just going to look for, a screwdriver, because I believe the screws are in there, and I will have to get them out. So the other thing, what I'm hoping to do is hoping that this works. If this works, I want to test it out on, this is the 41st PET with the 40th board, and this is the 40th PET with the 41st board. See, I'm not getting anything on the screen with this one. I'm not, except once in a while, once every great while, I get a little something, but I've never been able to record it. Let's see if I get it now. It's been off for a very long time. I get nothing. Nothing. Anyway, I can turn that off. See, I'm wondering, is this PET working? But I just can't see it. I don't know. Anyway, it is time to turn this 4040 on and see what's what. Okay, well, that's hopeful. It's making the right sounds. But is it working? I don't know. The drive is held closed by two screws. One at each side. It's typically, if they are original or replacement screws, they are Phillips. Fairly big. I mean, not very long, but pretty thick, pretty substantial. And as I'm trying to get into good habits here, I will rate that. .4040 case screws. Alright, so it sounded good, but that does not necessarily tell the tale. Alright, put that bag in here, put that bag in there, I'll put that screwdriver away, I'll put that marker away. This is how we prevent clutter. So there we have it. So you lift it up, and sometimes, I seem to remember, on some of these drives, there was a little hold-up thing that would hold the top up. But I guess it sits there pretty nice. And it does look pretty clean. It does. So I'm going to turn it on again. Okay, heads are banging. That's a good. But I don't believe. I'm going to watch carefully again. Yeah, it does not Looks like drive 0 is spinning. But drive 1, I can just get a peek in here under the board. Yeah, it's spinning. And it's making the right noises. So I'm just double checking all the connector things. And one thing I suppose I might do, because I'm here and I can, before doing any elaborate things, is I'm going to pull off the connector from drive 0, and I'm going to take an eraser and I'm going to shine up all the connections, because, well, you just never know if it will make a difference. You just never know. Alright, is it on? I think it's on. I'll turn that on again. Okay, I don't see it spinning. I do not. One thing I might try, I'm going to give the little drive motor a little smack. Maybe I'll do it while I'm starting it up. It's funny. It sounds like things are spinning. You know what maybe I will do? I will take this one off too. I think this would have something to do with it. I may be wrong. Oh, there are little clippy, grabby things here that sometimes make getting things off more difficult. So you know what? While I'm here, I'm just going to turn this on. See? It sounds like it's spinning. I wonder if the belt is just gone. Anyway, well, while I have that connector off, I might as well take an eraser and shine up the connections. Because why not? Why not? And then I'll slip this back on as best as I can. Come on, you. Come on, you. These little things, these little clips do help keep things in positioning, but they do make getting things back on. Like, I mean, it makes it so it's harder for things to fall off. Anyway, it's back on. Okay. So I am forever hopeful. Now, might the heads need cleaning? They might. We'll see about that. What I need to do now is go and get an IEEE PET to IEEE cable and hook this up. And I suppose I need to find a disc. I know I have discs around here because I was using them with the 1541s that I was checking. So, stay tuned for more exciting 4040 updates, which of course should lead to PET updates. It's all intermingled. It's all related. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. David Bradley from the TV room, signing off. Bye for now.